Hey guys, so let's talk Tretinoin. 2 weeks ago, I started my Tretinoin journey after reading a lot of reviews and watching videos and making sure I speak to friends who are estheticians and dermatologists and all of that stuff. Well, I started it and I made a video. I did a 1 week review on it. I made a video. Is on. You can go back and watch it. It's on there. And in that video, I said I started using it, and the strength I started on is the 0.025. And the trick with tretinoin, so you don't get the opposite of what you should get, is that you need to start low and slow. To start from the lowest, especially if you've not never been on any form of retinol, whatever it is. Start low, start slow, then work your way up. So yeah. Well, I've been on retinol for a while. I've used retinol for a while. I decided to start low, but I didn't start slow. I decided to use it every night. And when you're using it, you need to use a pea size, just a pea size. Well, then it is advisable for you to go heavy on your moisturizers. Then if you are of the oily skin type, it is advised you use the gel. If you are of the dry skin type, you're advised to use the cream because it comes in two form, the gel and the cream. Well, I used the gel and I used the 0.025. And I said one thing I noticed from the first week was that my face got darker, a lot darker, like literally. It looked like, I'm not gonna say burn, but like it was really dark. Then my spots, because I have a few spots here and there, my spots were more pronounced, and my what else? My hyperpigmentation around the eye was more pronounced as well. But one positive I noticed with it is that it's my face is really smooth. Well, I have a few balms. Of course, what tretinoin is gonna do is going to, it speeds up the cell turnover. So it's going to bring up to the surface whatever it is, whatever gunk it is underneath your skin. So I have just a few here and there. And one thing I notice is it brings it out, it kills it immediately. Like literally, it just kills the thing. Like it kills the thing within days. So regardless of the fact that my face is still dark compared to my neck, is really dark, my skin is better. Like I touch it and I'm like, whoa, like it's so smooth. It's giving this elastic feel, you know. And I'm on week 2 right now, so I'm doing the week 2 review. I just finished week 2. I'll put it that way. I'm doing a review on the second week. Again, something I did wrong was while trying to moisturize, I used a harsh body lotion. I used it on my face because I felt like I needed to go really heavy. So the one I used in the morning, I felt it was not really enough. When it was, then I put it on my face. After 2 days, I noticed a tingling sensation. So I realized that it was the one, not the tretinoin. Because I tell you, from the day one, tretinoin hasn't really reacted on me except make me darker. And it's getting a bit lighter now. And it has only done well, less worse, but it has done well. for the most part of it. So I had to stop it. Now, this is my advice to you who want to start using tretinoin or want to embark on your tretinoin journey. Do not use a harsh face cream, face moisturizer, whatever it is. Tretinoin already is harsh in itself. It is. I tell you, I've seen crazy side effects. I've seen craziness. I've seen crazy purge. It is really harsh. As much as you think you're going low, tretinoin is tretinoin. It gonna mess you up if you don't get it right. So stay away from the acids like salicylic, glycolic. Vitamin C should not be used with tretinoin. Um, yes, it should not be used at the same time, simultaneously. Tretinoin comes at night, vitamin C in the morning. Of course, vitamin C plays well with our sunscreen to make sure free radicals doesn't really happen. Well, like I said, be careful. Mild, gentle, mild, gentle, mild. You want to do that until your skin gets used to it. And it takes a while for your skin to get used to tretinoin. For some people, their skin never gets used to it. They have to stop at some point. For some people, their skin eventually gets used to it. And, it gets better. So that way you can actually incorporate your whatever your exfoliants, whether it's salicylic, glycolic. However, you cannot use it at the same time. Tretinoin should always be used at night. Salicylic can be used in the morning. For me, I would advise tretinoin users to not use glycolic acid, because glycolic acid is another acid that I wouldn't advise you to use in the morning. I'll prefer you to use it at night. While um, salicylic acid, when it's not in a higher percentage, let's say 2%, 3%, you can use in the morning, but you must use a sunscreen. So niacinamide great with tretinoin, hyaluronic acid great with it. But what's it called? Vitamin C, glycolic, salicylic. No, please. No, please. So tretinoin is a powerhouse, and it will do what these acids will do and even more. Because let me tell y'all, I noticed a lot of improvement in my skin. Even though the skin is not as light, it has not blended with my neck. But overall skin feel, how my skin, and it thickens the skin. Like my skin feels so good. I love it. And my acne has gone. Just a little hyperpigmentation here and there. You can see up close. This was not how it was from the job. So it's really good. It's very good. It's a powerhouse. If it suits your skin, you found yourself a treasure you want to use for life. Trust me. So tell me what you think. What's going on with your skincare journey? Are you hopping on tretinoin? If you all have, what strength are you on? How often do you use it? Are you going low? What have you noticed? What are your do's and don'ts? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be filming my weekly progress so all of you can, benefit from it and learn from my mistakes, as well as live vicariously through my, the positive sides of tretinoin. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my channel, click on the notification bell so each time I post you get to see it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.